Myself Aisha Siddiqui from Emerald Heights. I welcome you all in the class 2nd. Today we will see English. Before that you have to take out your pencil and open textbooks page number 5. Now you have to on the page number 5, see at the top left side you have to write today's date. Here you have to write today's date. Write today's date here. Write today's date here. Write CW. CW means what? Class work. In this lesson you will see about the story of a rainbow butterfly. Once there were 3 caterpillars. They lived in a fairyland, and how they become a butterfly you will learn in this lesson. So put your finger there. Lesson number 1, the rainbow butterfly. What is the spelling of rainbow? R-A-I-N-B-O-W, rainbow. And what is the spelling of butterfly? B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. Now see, keep your finger on the first line. Philly, Tilly and Millie were caterpillars. So you have to underline the word caterpillars. Caterpillars means larva of butterfly, or you can remember these words. When the caterpillar is grown up, they become butterfly. So name the 3 butterflies: Philly, Tilly and Millie. They lived in fairyland. Where did they live? They live in fairyland. So underline the word fairyland. F-A-I-R-Y, fairy, L-A-N-D, land. They like to eat leaves. And what is their favorite fruit? Leaves. As we are having our favorite food, everybody is having their own choice. There may be some favorite food is another one. My favorite food is chapati and dal. Someone is different. Okay, so they are also having a favorite food, and their favorite food is leaves. Here we can ask the question that name the caterpillars. So you can say that Philly, Tilly and Millie. And where did they live? They lived in fairyland. And what did they eat? They eat leaves. They eat leaves. As after taking the food, we all feel sleepy. Same, these 3 caterpillars also feel sleepy. You can see how they are feeling sleepy. So they see here and there. In the fairyland, they see here and there are so many trees in that fairyland. So Philly saw, you can see, Philly saw a lemon tree. She climbed up and went to sleep on a leaf. Philly loved lemons. So she found that lemon trees. And what is the color of the lemon? Yellow. So she saw the lemon trees. She climbed up and went to sleep on the leaf. And she told to her friend that such a pretty yellow lemons are there on these trees. I am going to sleep on this lemon tree. Same, the Tilly also wants to choose one of the tree for sleeping. So she liked red apples, or we can say that she loved red apple. So she go to the apple trees, and Tilly went to sleep on the apple trees. So we can ask that which tree did Philly see? Philly word comes, so you have to remember Philly is there. So you have to say that Philly saw a lemon tree. Philly lemon tree, and Tilly apple tree. Don't get confused. Philly lemon tree and Tilly apple tree. Now, one is left. Who is that? Millie. Yes. I love, Millie said to herself that I love big green coconut tree. She found a good big green coconut tree. So she told herself that I love this green, yellow, big coconut tree. Not a yellow, sorry. She loved the big green coconut tree. Millie climbed up on a coconut tree. Got it, everyone? Means we can ask you the question, where did Millie climb, or on which tree Millie climbed? So Millie climbed up on a coconut tree. Don't get confused. If the question is asked, where did the Philly sleep? So Philly slept on yellow lemon tree, and that Tilly slept. Another question can be asked, on which tree Tilly go to sleep, did go to sleep. So you can say that Tilly went to sleep on red apple tree. And what tree Millie found to sleep? Millie found a green big coconut tree. Now see page number 6. Put your finger there. Philly, Tilly and Millie slept for many days. See in this picture. Philly, Tilly and Millie slept for many days. According to their choices, they had selected some trees and there they went to sleep. And they slept for so many days, not 6 and 4 hours. So many days they slept. And when they got up, so what did they see? Philly woke up. Underline the word woke up. You have to underline the word woke up. What is the meaning of woke up? To get up. You can say, after sleeping we woke up now? Yes. To underline the word woke up and write there V2. Okay, this is a second form of wake. V1 wake, V2 woke, wake woke, V3 woken, and V4 waking. Philly woke up. She had turned into a beautiful yellow butterfly. When she woke up, what did she see? She has turned into a yellow butterfly. Why she has turned into yellow butterfly? As she has slept on the yellow lemon trees. So that yellow colors come to her and she becomes a yellow butterfly. As I told that the caterpillars when grown up, they turn into the butterfly. Tilly woke up, see this. Tilly woke up and jumped with joy. Now Tilly also woke up. She jumped with joy. Yay! She had turned into a red butterfly, and Tilly has turned into a red butterfly. Why she has turned into red butterfly? Or which tree she has choose to sleep? She has taken red apple tree. So that's why the color of the apple is red, and so she turned into a red butterfly, and she said to herself that I am a red butterfly. Now see, Millie woke up and opened her wings. Now Millie also slept for so many days. Now she also woke up. She saw that when she woke up, she opened her wings, and what did she see? That her wings were white. Why white? On which tree Millie slept? Yes, that coconut tree. And the coconut tree, in inner side of the coconut is white. So she turned into, her wings has turned into white color. She wanted bright wings, but she was very sad. Why? Because she don't want white wings. She want only colorful wings. A drop of, see page number 7. A drop of rain. See, a drop of rain fell on Millie's head. Now she became very sad because Millie is having only yellow wings. She wanted only colorful wings. So at that time, a drop of rain fell on Millie's head, and she looked up and saw 7 colors in the sky, and it was a rainbow. You can see in these pictures, when a drop of rain fell on Millie's head, she saw up. What did she see? That there is a 7 color rainbow. As you know that the color of there are 7 colors in a rainbow, and she was so excited to see that color. She told that I will get some color for my wings. From where she wanted to take that color? She wanted to take that color from the rainbow. And how many colors are there in the rainbow? 7. Yes. She flew towards the rainbow. She flew. Again you have to just underline the word flew. This is a V2 of fly. This is the V2 of fly. Underline it. Right here, this is V2 of fly. She flew towards the rainbow. And which color should I take? When she went up to the rainbow, and there she is asking herself, which color should I take from that rainbow? All the colors are so beautiful. As you know that all the 7 colors which are present in the rainbow, they are so beautiful. So she was now very happy to see the colors, and she wanted that 7 colors of that rainbow. Millie spread her wings. She spread her wings and she started singing a song. When you are happy, at that time also we also, when we feel very happy, so we start singing a song. So same is happening with that Millie also. She spread her wings and started singing a song. Let's see what song she is going to sing. Put your finger there. Hello dear rainbow. Now you have to say properly. Hello dear rainbow, color me new, color me violet, indigo blue, green, yellow, orange and red too. Dear dear rainbow, I love you. This song has sung by Millie. Why she has sung this song? Because she was very excited to see the colors of rainbow, and she is going to request the rainbow, rainbow, please, you have to give me your colors. Come on, you have to paint your color to me, whatever. And she is getting confused which color she wants. So she asked the rainbow, please give me your all 7 colors and paint my wings. Millie was very happy now. Now she becomes very happy. Why she become very happy now? Because now she got a colorful wings. She flew down to her friends. Now she flew down to her friends. You can see in this picture. And now she is now so much excited, and she is telling to her friend that I have all the 7 colors of my wings. Means I got all 7 colors on my wings, and now I become a rainbow butterfly. Now I become a rainbow butterfly. So she is very happy. You can see in this picture how she is very happy. So here we can ask that why was the Millie very happy? Millie was very happy because she got the colorful wings. And who has colored her? A rainbow has colored her. Okay, so don't get confused here. These 3 caterpillars, Philly, Tilly and Millie. So after this lesson you have to just read all the lessons and whatever the teacher will ask the questions during this period, you have to remember all these things, and you have to learn all the given spelling, V1 V2 also you have to learn, because any question may be asked, so be ready for that. Thank you very much. We will see you in the next class.